Hello again, this is a problem I've not seen before. It's on a Dometic RML 9336. It's a big tall fridge freezer. It looks like that. It's got a big tall door and the handle's broke, so you can't actually open the door. Now I've just worked out how to do it. There is actually inside there, you can grab hold of it with a pair of pliers and give it a quick tug, and then the door comes open so you can get out all your stuff and then look to get it fixed when we get back to the dealership. But yeah, that's how to do it. Just inside there, you see there's a little, you can't quite see it in this, but there's a little thing. Give it a tug, it opens up. Okay, not ideal, but at least it gets you out of trouble.